Hello friends and fans. Today we'll be exploring the highly anticipated Nokia Lumia 200. This phone has been packed with incredible features, making it stand out in the competitive smartphone market. Whether you're a vlogger, a gamer, or just someone who wants a powerful device, the Lumia 200 has something for everyone. Let's dive right into the details of what makes this phone so unique. Now, let's move to the notification display. The Nokia Lumia 200 features a stunning 3.4-inch Super AMOLED notification display that not only gives you quick access to all your apps but also enhances your experience with vibrant colors and sharp visuals. Next, we'll move to the camera. For all the photography enthusiasts out there, you'll love the triple camera setup. It boasts a 200 megapixels main lens with an impressive 120x space zoom, allowing you to capture distant objects in stunning detail. It even supports 8K video recording for ultra-clear footage. On the front, there's a 48 megapixels wide selfie camera that shoots 4K videos and comes with HDR and dual video calling capabilities, making sure your selfies and video calls look incredible. Now, let's talk about the main display. You're looking at a 6.7-inch Dynamic AMOLED display with an amazing 3000 nits brightness, ensuring perfect visibility even under direct sunlight. The 144 Hz refresh rate guarantees smooth scrolling, and with the Vectus glass coating, your screen stays protected from scratches. Moving to the battery, the Lumia 200 is powered by a massive 6000 mAh battery. It's non-removable but supports 120W fast wired charging, so you can juice it up in no time and get back to using your phone. Let's shift to the SIM tray. The Nokia Lumia 200 features a hybrid SIM slot with dual standby, supporting both physical SIMs and eSIMs. It's also 5G enabled, so you can enjoy super fast connectivity wherever 5G is available. Now, let's look at the performance. This phone runs on the Mediatek Dimensity 9300 chipset, ensuring epic performance speeds for all your apps and games. You also have the option of either 12GB or 16GB of RAM, paired with Nokia's Pure UI, making the phone incredibly responsive and user-friendly. Moving to the ports and audio, the phone is equipped with Type-C fast charging ports, NFC sensor, dual stereo speakers, and multiple microphones for excellent audio quality whether you're on calls or playing music. As for the fingerprint scanner, it's located under the display and uses optical technology for fast and secure unlocking. You'll find it's quick and highly functional. Lastly, the Nokia Lumia 200 supports network and extras like 3G, 4G, and 5G speeds, and comes with an IR blaster. Plus, it's IP68 certified for water and dust resistance, and offers up to 512GB of storage for all your files, photos, and videos. In short, the Nokia Lumia 200 is packed with cutting-edge features that cater to every need, from camera lovers to power users. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content.